Umbutho wezokuvikela kuleli SANDF uthi ziyaqhubeka izinhlelo zokusungulwa kophiko olusha oluzoqapha Imingcele engenela kulelizwe. SANDF yenze lesimemezelo ngesikhathi nesithangami nabezindaba ngaphambi komcimbi we-Armed Force Day ozobanjelwa eLimpopo.
Imingcele yakulelizwe ichazwe njengezindawo ezingaphephile. Ukuba khona kwamalungu e-SANDF ajujwe emngceleni akusizi ngalutho ukuvimba ukungena kwabantu ngokungemthetho. Izingcingo ezinezimbobo ziwumthelela omkhulu ongena kwabantu kalula kulelizwe. Manje kunezinhlelo ezintsha ukubuyisa uzinzo emingceleni yakulelizwe.
It is partly a South African National Defence Force issue, but it is a multi-departmental environment. There is currently a high-level talks to establish a new department, that of Border Management Agency. And that will hopefully encompass all the role players to ensure that there is better migrant control.
Kusenjalo, hulumeni waseLimpopo uthi usukulungela ukusingatha lolu suku njengoba lingelinye elikhulukazi emhlabeni.
As a province, we are very grateful to be playing host to this event of national importance, and we are more than very ready. As you might have heard, the reports which were given by the leadership of the Defence Force with regard to the preparations, the readiness, but as well as the cooperation that we have been giving them as a province.
Lolu suku kwelubanjwa minyaka yonke i-Armed Force Day lizoba nemicimbi eyahlukene kusukela ngomsombuluko ngaphambi kosuku olukhulu mhla zingama-21 kuNhlolanja.